GMT generally rose 36.35% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Bull controlled GMT's genuinely current cost activities, which really is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN generally is drifting at $346,717,663, which in a real sense is very critical. Current STEPN value sort of is $0.2918 September 2023. In this video, we will walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified pressing issues. Facts. What certainly is momentary cost expectation for STEPN? Generally is GMT a sort of wise interest amazingly. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on in an all things considered significant way. Be that as it may, prior to plunging certainly profound into the GMT specialized examination in a real sense, let us truly discuss the truly current economic situations. Most certainly further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN generally is drifting at $346,717,663 in a genuinely significant manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,081,454,289,783 in an unpretentious manner. The all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $25,060,241,952 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%. Sort of additional appearance, how Stepn support and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner, which in every practical sense, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level, after a vertical development of 2.9%, showing that bull-controlled GMTs in every practical sense, current cost activities, or so they really thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours in a very huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time span in a truly significant manner. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 1 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that GMT certainly rose 36.35% in 7 days in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions basically show that the market in every practical sense is going in a sort of descending course for fundamentally present moment. Or so they especially thought. Right now, and in every practical sense, general essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a fundamentally huge manner. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path. So current STEPN cost basically is $0.2918 September 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What generally is in every way that really matters, momentary cost expectation for STEPN, in a real sense, is GMT a genuinely wise venture, which generally is very huge. Support really is a level at which purchasers certainly become certainly more by and large dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of further. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers certainly become move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time period, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN. GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT fundamentally is at 29 cents. up 25.02% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week, showing how furthermore, cocoa's BCX came to 60 cents. In the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a truly significant way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, which for the most part shows that GMT sort of rose 36.35% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. There especially are very nearly 1,104,192,453 generally are available for use out of 5,566,425,803 in an especially large manner. Stepn value examination GMT cost investigation for 18 September 2023 insight an especially day-to-day time period most certainly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,081,454,289,783, which truly is genuinely huge. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of normal union and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA to by and large examine the future development of the STEPN, showing how similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers for the most part become move in every practical sense, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54%, inside a similar time span in an especially enormous manner. The kind of relative strength file, RSI, shows that the GMT coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI basically is at 37. Exhibiting that Stepn value examination GMT cost investigation for 18 September 2023. Inside a very day-to-day time period fundamentally made sense of beneath, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,081,454,289,783 in a kind of significant manner, while GMT's Williams % R marker especially is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, pretty sign in a real sense, is most certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how moreover, cocoa's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.7